Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make acorn cap jewels. So to make them you need some school glue or some Mod Podge, or regular white glue, any kind of marker, a ball of modeling clay, a lid or some other plastic container, and some acorn caps. First you're going to work the modeling clay until it is pretty flat. And then you were going to flatten it even more into the lid or plastic container. So you're going to want to take a marker and start coloring in the inside of your acorn cap. When you're done, you'll be able to see all the ink from the marker on the inside of the acorn cap. So you can take that, you can smush it into your clay. And then you're going to want to fill it with glue. Once you've filled your acorn cap with glue, you can choose to either stir it around. It's starting to turn purple. You don't have to stir it because that color will show through anyway. And if you have any mica glitter, now's the best time to add it. You're going to want to let these sit and dry for at least a week, sometimes more, in a nice dry space. The more wet the space is, the longer it will take to dry. And then enjoy your bejeweled acorn caps.